Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to keep working on this San Mai Kitchen knife. I just barely finished forging it out, and so now what I'm going to do is take an angle grinder, profile it, roughen the bevels, and then use my belt sander to keep grinding in those bevels until we hopefully reach the hard material of the file inside, and then we'll move on to making the handle. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Let's get started. Alright, and now having some problems with the blade. There is just a little tiny bit of a crack on the spine still, and I'm worried that it goes really deep, and so my first course of action is to grind that out. Just gonna grind hard and see how deep it goes and see if I can make the knife shape from that. See that right there? Ugh. Okay, so I got it ground. It looks like the crack wasn't as deep or as detrimental as I thought it was going to be, which is good. The shape hasn't completely changed, but it's a lot thinner, it's a lot meaner, I feel like. And so now, grind in the bevels again. And I'm going to make the bevels come just a little bit higher than I had them before. Make sure the back and the belly of the knife are both have good shapes and that everything works out. Hopefully, this isn't a catastrophic failure. All right, the knife has been ground. It's still got a really good shape to it, I think. The last thing we need to do is heat treat. Well, that might just be a disaster. The crack opened up and it warped in the heat treat, and so I don't know what to do at this point. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it. I'm gonna temper it and we'll see what happens when it comes out of the temper, but I'm not feeling too hot about this anymore.